The FDUCE D20 gaming microphone kit delivers impressively clean, full sound with a wide frequency range and high resolution that works well for both streaming and vocal recording. Its dual USB and XLR connectivity makes it equally at home on a simple gaming desk setup or integrated into a more advanced audio interface and mixer chain. The plug-and-play USB mode is very convenient with quick touch mute control and a clear light indicator so you always know when your mic is live. Customizable multi-mode RGB lighting adds a polished look to a gaming or streaming layout, and the built-in memory means your preferred colors return automatically. A front-mounted smart control knob and real-time headphone monitoring make it easy to fine-tune gain and listening levels without diving into software menus. The included desktop stand and long combination cable make initial setup straightforward, so new creators can get quality audio on the desk with minimal fuss.